En miskien bietjie in jou digger. Gaan kyk bietjie in jou digger. En op die seats, George, op die seats hierso. Gaan kyk op die seats. Hierso, wag. Oh, green one. En Josh is en waar's jou sandpit?
I think the Easter Bunny might have been over there somewhere.
Oops. It's okay. Okay. Yay! Hoeveel eggs het jy daar? Tel vir my. Loads.
There's one near me as well. You have a look somewhere near me. Come over here.
Gaan kyk al by Rose.
Come over and have a look around here where I am. Looking, look all around. Turn around, have a look. Looking.
Maybe on the closer to the
Over here
fence.
somewhere.